Tinuod, lisod, mangita og kwarta. Pero atong kinabuhi di ta kahibaw kung kano sa lang. So maon nang ni bakasyon gid mi ni atumi o Vietnam. Specifically, we decided to visit Sapa ug mao ni ang amo ang lugar nga gistayhan, which is the D-Home Sapa accommodation. So mao ni among view sa hotel, ang railway padung Fansipan. So kani siya mao ni among room. This is not too pricey. So di ba nindot ang iyang ambience, nindot ang iyang pintal, nindot ang lighting. So among bed, queen size bed. We have our view again of the railway going to Fansipan. So later on, I will post also our experience going to Fansipan. This is a place where you could see a sea of clouds and also reach and climb the highest mountain in the Indochina. So basically, we have everything. We also have an added bonus, which is the hot tub. So if you can see all of the things nga naa sa room, is just what you expect if you'll be staying also in a much pricey hotel accommodation, no? So kani siya, it only cost us 5,600 for 3 nights and 4 days. So nindot kayo ang iyang view. Naatay view sa railway going to Fansipan. So if also we'll visit the CR, we'll check the CR or the bathroom. We have the amenities of the same amenities sa mga pricey nga hotel accommodation. So we have lavatory, we have our hot and cold shower. We also have like same amenities like shampoo, hand wash, and also soap. So we have our flushing toilet, bidet, and trash bins inside. So nindot gid siya. So again, this is not a pricey hotel. If you want to visit, you can visit booking.com and check the homestay.